In this video, I'll be showing you how I use flaxseed gel in my wash day. I use this in so many ways. So today, I'll be using it as a pre-conditioning rinse. I also make sure to incorporate flaxseed at least once or twice in a month into my hair care to help increase hair growth, define my curls. It also makes my hair more manageable. So if you enjoy watching this video, definitely give this girl a huge thumbs up and let's get started. So first, I'm going to start off by preparing the flaxseed gel. This is the flaxseed gel that I'll be making use of, brown flaxseed. So I added 2 cups of water into a pan and let that boil. Then next, I measured out 1 cup of flaxseed and I added that into the boiling water. So as long as the flaxseed is organic, it doesn't matter if it is brown or if it is white. Any type of flaxseed you have at home is fine. And I make sure my heat is on medium, and I also make sure to stir it consistently. So when the gel starts to form, there is usually a white froth on top and it has this slimy consistency. You know your flaxseed gel is ready. So I put it down and I am supposed to let it cool for at least 30 minutes, but I did not do that. I guess I did not have the patience to do that. And I also made use of this plastic container to strain it, and guess what happened, guys? Yeah, it melted. So guys, if you're doing this, don't be like me. Please let it cool for 30 minutes before you strain. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I'll be using the flaxseed gel as a pre-conditioning rinse. So first thing to do here is to shampoo my hair. So I make sure to wet my hair thoroughly, and next I detangle my hair in the small sections. Of course, I detangle my hair in small sections. So I make sure to use just my conditioner. I already have water in my hair. I just go ahead with my detangle brush to do that in tiny sections. So I do this, and when I finish with this section, I go ahead and repeat the same process to the rest of my hair. And also I make sure to put it in twists to get it out of the way. So guys, some of you have asked me this question, that why do I usually like detangling my hair before I shampoo? For me personally, I find it very easy, because most of the time my hair is usually tangled, matted and all that. So I make sure to detangle it before I shampoo. It makes the job very easy for me, especially when I come out of the shower after shampooing. I don't need to worry about detangling it before styling or any other thing, if that makes sense. But for me, it does work for me. So after detangling, I go ahead to shampoo my hair. So I'm making use of my black soap shampoo to do this. I just apply that onto my scalp directly. As you can see, my hair, I also love washing my hair in sections. So I apply that onto my scalp and make sure I make use of my fingertips to go in and gently scrub my scalp. I also make sure to use my scalp massager to give my scalp a very good clean. And after doing that, I go ahead and rinse that off and onto the next step, which is applying the flaxseed gel. So first I scoop up small amount of gel and apply that to my roots, from my roots to the ends of my hair in an up and down motion. And after that, I make sure to massage the gel onto my scalp. And for the record, just in case you haven't used this gel, there is no need to worry about it being slippery. This gel is more sticky than slippery, so it is very easy to clean or wash out. So I usually make sure to take my time to apply and massage the gel onto my scalp, so it goes all over my hair and my scalp. So flaxseed is one of the ingredients that I've been using for a while now, And I use this in so many ways, and this is also one of the best ways to use it for hair growth, to maximize its benefit. So every time I use this gel, it helps restore and improve my hair texture. It helps increase volume. It also contains vitamin E, which is essential for healthy hair growth. It also provides the essential nutrients to the scalp, which reduces hair shedding and other hair damage. So after the gel application, next is I cover with a shower cap and leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes before I go in and rinse it off my hair. So covering the hair with a shower cap will help the gel penetrate deeper into the hair while the hair is heating. So the heat will open up the cuticles and also stimulate blood circulation, which helps with hair growth. So after rinsing, I am going to follow up with a conditioner, or sometimes I do hair masks. Guys, it just depends on how the spirit leads, okay? So I am going to follow up with a deep conditioner. So I apply that. First of all, I make sure to wring out any excess water. Then I apply that from the mid-length of my hair to the ends in an up and down motion. Just make sure the deep conditioner saturates my strands very well. And after doing that, I just go ahead to twist it up and make sure I repeat the same process on the rest of my hair. And I make sure to leave, after covering my whole hair, I just leave that to sit for about 5 minutes before rinsing it out. After rinsing out, I go ahead with my microfiber towel and I just make sure to dry up my hair, make sure I don't have any excess water in my hair. And now I'm going to follow up with my leave-in conditioner. This is the Mega Growth Daily Strengthener. So I just apply that in sections. I go in with a wide tooth comb to smooth out my hair. My hair is not tangled, okay? I just want to smooth it out after applying the leave-in conditioner, and I also make sure to twist it back up. So after the application, next I'm going to oil my scalp. In here I have 2 mixtures of oil. I can't remember the other one, but I know definitely I have almond oil in here. So I just put that onto my scalp. Make sure I distribute it evenly. I don't put too much. And I put back on my towel for my hair to dry properly. So I do this if I don't want to air dry my hair. So here is the hair that I lost during this whole process. As you can see, that is very little. So that's why I like detangling before shampooing, because it helps a lot. So this is what my hair is looking like the next day. Here I want to quickly put up my hair, style my hair or put it up in a protective styling. So I'm just showing you guys. I usually love the result I get after using this gel. My hair is always very easy to manage. My hair usually comes out looking more healthy. It has more shine, volume. I've been using this gel for quite a while now and it never disappoints. It usually gives what it's supposed to give, okay? Anyway, so guys, that brings me to the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.